Hey everyone, in this video I will be sharing my complete book list for UPSC. But yes, before beginning I would like to tell कि इस वीडियो में आपको मेरा जो मटेरियल है वो बहुत वेरी करने वाला है. दैट मीन्स आपको विजन्स का भी मटेरियल मिलेगा, आपको वाजीराम का भी मटेरियल मिलेगा, आपको शंकर IAS का भी मटेरियल मिलेगा, बहुत सारे अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट्स का मटेरियल मिलेगा. दैट इज़ बिकॉज आई हैव चोजन द बेस्ट वन फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई ऑल्सो सजेस्ट यू टू डू द सेम. Choose the best which you think you are comfortable with. So let's begin with history, and we know history has many parts, subparts: ancient history, medieval, modern, art and culture, world history, post-independence. So for ancient history, I read NCERT, old NCERT, and along with that, Vajiram Ka Yellow Book. Vajiram Ka Yellow Book is in summary. It's actually the summary of NCERT. They have provided the same content in more organized manner and in tabular form, so it makes your work easier. And about the note making for these subjects, see, it is for ancient history. For prelims I will not be taking down notes because yellow book में already उन्होंने उसी form में दिया हुआ है. But yes, for means I will be making my own notes for each subject. And same goes for medieval history. This is NCERT of 11th class. But yes, these are old NCERTs. And for modern history, I refer old NCERT and Spectrum. I also have yellow book, but I kind of like Spectrum more than yellow book. So that's why I chose Spectrum over Vajiram's yellow book. And art and culture के लिए भी also I don't use Vajiram का बुक दिया हुआ बुक, बट आई रीड क्लास नोट्स एंड क्लास 11th का NCERT. दैट्स इट फॉर आर्ट एंड कल्चर. एंड फॉर वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री आई यूज़ दिस NCERT ऑफ क्लास 12th. एंड ये जो येलो बुक है, आई डोंट यूज़ इट, आई एम सॉरी, आई हैव रिटन इट हियर कि वाजीराम, बट नो, आई यूज़ विजन का मटेरियल फॉर वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री. दैट इज़ बाय मिस्टेक. एंड फॉर पोस्ट इंडिपेंडेंस हिस्ट्री आई यूज़ visions material, and yes, plus NCERT of class 12th, new NCERT here. And for polity I use the material which everyone uses, of course, yes, Lakshmikant. But in yellow book also there is good content which is means oriented, so I might be referring to yellow books in between for some topics which I think is important from a mains perspective. So for geography, I read class 11th NCERTs, both the part of it. One is physical environment, the other is fundamentals of physical geography. And I was not having the NCERTs of class 12th, but when I read the yellow book, I kind of liked the content in it and was comfortable with the books. So I read yellow books for geography also. See, for history and geography, if आपने NCERTs भी cover किए ना, old NCERT for history and class 11th and 12th for geography, that means the same. आपने same content cover किया है. Don't worry about it. Okay, next for environment, I use Shankar IAS का environment book. Now you might be thinking कि when you have the books given by the institute, then why did you switch over to others? The reason is, see, किसी भी institute का सारा material अच्छा नहीं होता है. There are some specific books which are good, which have good content, so that's why I switched to other material also. Okay, for economy, I read my class notes and the yellow book provided by Vajiram. But I've heard कि Shri Ram's Institute का material भी for economy is really good. So if you don't have any or start नहीं किया है, you can try those notes also. But yes, please read NCERT of class 11th and 12th for economics. I was having background in economics in class 11th and 12th. That's why I just read it once online. So if you don't have any, read it please, the NCERT for basics. For science and tech, I don't follow any specific book for this subject. But yes, I read newspaper and magazine. I don't read Yellow Book of Vajiram. And for ethics, I totally rely on my class notes and the yellow books provided by the institute. See, these days you can follow the material of any institute, even if you have not joined that institute in particular. But yes, you can order it online from any site. But if you are not comfortable with these yellow books, so you can also read Lexicon for ethics. This one for ethics. Okay, for IR, I also rely on newspaper and current affair magazine, which I follow. That is Vision IS. This yellow book, I really don't follow this one. Okay, for security, I read my class notes and Visions material to cover this subject. See, you literally don't have to follow any coaching's material. किसी भी इंस्टीट्यूट का मटेरियल ब्लाइंडली फॉलो नहीं करना है. यू हैव टू पिक बेस्ट वन फॉर यू. इफ़ यू आर नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद एनी बुक, यू थिंक कि अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है कंटेंट, रीड द अदर. उसी सेम चैप्टर को किसी और बुक से रीड करो. यू विल रियलाइज कि विच वन इज़ बेटर, विच वन इज़ बेस्ट फॉर यू एक्चुअली. And next, for social issues also, I rely on Visions material and newspaper. This one is the yellow book, but I don't read it for social issues. So for this subject, I follow newspaper, monthly magazine, and also जो compilation आता है last में PT 365 का, that one, and yes, yellow book for this subject. Now our list is ready. Take a moment and please subscribe to find ways. Like the video, share it with your friends. I will keep on uploading the videos. Thanks.